Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to log into the NYMCU mobile banking app so you can manage your finances on the go. So let's get started. First, locate and tap on the NYMCU mobile banking app icon to open it. Okay, now on the login screen, enter your user ID associated with your account and the password in the respective field. If you have not registered yet, tap on the register a new account link and follow the prompts to enroll in NYMCU digital banking. You will need your account number, social security number, birth date, and email address to complete the registration process. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, tap on the forgot username or password links and follow the instructions to reset your credentials. Be prepared to provide your account number, social security number, birth date, and email address for verification. Once you have entered your credentials, tap on the login button to access your account dashboard where you can check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and more. And yes, that's it. You have successfully logged into the NYMCU mobile banking app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.